Hey guys, uh, here again with another video. Hope that you guys enjoy. I'm seeing all the love and support everyone has given me, and I just wanted to say thank you. Let's get into this video. A faster weapon. Let's just equip that real quick. This is a smaller map, and I wasn't really paying attention whenever I pressed play in it. But again, yep. Just gonna play this. This is actually called Airsoft Center on Roblox. Surprisingly. Normally I really wouldn't. Damn, dude. No, Jesus, dude, never ran out of bullets. Normally I wouldn't be playing this type of game, but honestly, I've had a little bit of fun while playing it. It's a little challenging. You get like, it's got cool little game modes. It's different, and we traded because why not? But yeah. Hoping maybe I can make something happen. This guy's been playing all day. I've seen that name so much. What the fuck? But yeah, hopefully I can make something happen and get some clips and make a cool little edit. Again, editing like content is gonna be something that I'm really focusing on here and in the future. I really hope that you guys enjoy today's video. And yeah, again, just show me the love and the support on what I play just by leaving a like on the video. It really motivates me to keep going, so. Of course, we're in a weird spot now, because we're kind of in their spawn. Where's everybody at? Come on. There. And the dude just disappeared in front of my face. What? Guy's gone. Where'd that guy go? Oh, no. Damn. Jesus. No way that wasn't a hit. What? Oh, the game ended. I was like, damn, somebody got me good. Yeah, teammates were sitting on the hill then. Yeah, no, this game's pretty fun. If you ever want to check it out, it's actually called Airsoft Center. It's right there at the top of the page. But yeah, again, I want to keep posting content. Really want to keep posting content. I'm seeing the support that you guys are giving me, at least trying to give me a chance. And again, content is changing. It is changing. I'm trying all sorts of different things just to, make it a little bit more enjoyable to watch. I added a funny little intro into the last video. Of course, Hearthstone's one of the more chill games. I guess I kind of just play, for fun or just kind of whenever I feel like it. And yeah, hoping to bring, this should be good now, hoping to bring all sorts of new content, all sorts of different things, see what people enjoy, don't enjoy, and of course what I enjoy to do. So yeah, it's gonna be we're gonna be popping here pretty soon, hopefully. If you want to catch my live streams, not live streaming really anytime too soon. Hoping to kind of get like a little schedule going, maybe for Saturdays, do a live stream and then just kind of record it, edit it down to make it a recording. So yeah, if you guys want to, just oh yeah, I know I was getting shot from behind. I just didn't want to peek him. Yeah, you can come check me out if I ever do. So again, I'll have that bottom of my comment section, like always, my Twitch and everything, so. Ooh, okay, that guy's frame a little funky. But yeah. Oh shit. Oh, man. I had no time to react to that. What? What is that spawn, man? He could see me way before I could see him. What a dumb spot, and he's still sitting there, dude. Okay, these are just dumb teammates. They're like goofy sounds, we like it. This game's a little goofy, but it is still in like beta. I just like the idea of the one-shot paintball system, or it's kind of like paintball. Again, it's airsoft, but I'm a big fan of the one-shot system. I think it's very cool. It's different for what it's worth, you know. So. What? What? How did this guy die? Huh? Oh my goodness, this guy's always just in the bushes. Like, I don't know what that just did actually. Oh. Oh. Oh, we traded, man. I'm just gonna disable it. I kind of like doing the auto or the normal respawn method, but there is auto respawn, so that's very cool. Very cool. Nice to know. It's cool that it gives you an option to disable it too, just in case you need to change your loadout or hit your loadout or something. Yeah, it's like you're not making it to this flag. I don't even think this guy just saw me. Nope. His brain hurted it after that play. But again, it even gives you moments like that where you can literally just you just hip fire, hope that you hit shots. Like, I think that's really cool. It might seem redundant, like, oh, well, you're not really trying because you don't have to try, but it's like, I don't know. I like the fact that if somebody has the opportunity to hip fire just as good as they do when they're aimed in, I think that's a really cool idea. Oh, we traded. Oh, his teammate traded for him, I guess. Damn. Again, you get on these little streaks. You get money. Nice thing is they don't really... The leveling up system, or there's no leveling up system. It's kind of like currency based. So the reason why I have purple crystals and stuff is just because I've gotten so many kills. You get 50 per, and then it stacks. The more kills you get, and however much time, the more money you can earn. Or I don't even think it's timed. I think it's just off the kills alone. He's going sicko mode. Aw, dude was just, he was just lighting it up until he finally decided to peek out. Of course, I'm going for the flank because I don't want them to get up there. They seem to be using that little watchtower deal as much as they physically can, so. Ah, got me behind the wall. That is one of the only things with Roblox, you know, the ping differential can sometimes screw you like that. But you know what? We keep moving, keep moving. Oh, homie's name is Capivara. Damn. Oh yeah, that's right. See, they get the little... I guess we both get the little post, don't we? There's a guy on here. Oh, and we won. Yeah. So you can see how quick these... Some of these games go by really quick, some of them don't. Those guys were... they were just not the best by any means. But I think what I want to do... These are all pistols. Man, I can't believe the Glock... Oh, excuse me. Jeez, I can't believe the Glock cost that much. I haven't really touched any of the other rifles in this game. MK18. I know that the Honey Badger is really good. FAL would be kind of fun, huh? Let's try this. Let's see how this one goes. Dude, this is so cool. What? It's like the Black Ops 2 FAL. Oh, I didn't even see this guy. Okay, you saw him that time. That was weird. One of those, like, slots, I guess. And I like the idea of the FAL, man. Very cool. Shoots a little bit faster than all the other assault rifles and whatnot. Look at that. Didn't even have time to react. I wonder what the coincidences are of us getting the same amount twice. That guy's gone. Just gonna keep trying it, I guess. Just keep trying it, dude. Ah, oh, man, that spawn. Spawn protection, spawn protection. Get out of here. Yeah, see, some people play this game and they're just like, oh, alright, guns are blazing, hold down the, just hold down that left trigger, but in my opinion, it's all on skill anyways. You're gonna die, you're gonna lose. What? Okay. Damn. Yeah, it's too much. I heard too many footsteps then. Yeah. The fuck is that guy doing? Won't even look in the right direction. I was wondering if they were really ever gonna... Oh, get wrecked, dude. Oh man, that AK, you just hold that left trigger down. Man, the FAL almost seems, okay, let's just fit my words out. I was gonna say the FAL just seems too easy, but you know, when you have to lead bullets and stuff like that, sometimes that's when it gets difficult. Ooh. Thought I just saw one of his shots go sideways. Made me panic for a second. This thing is ridiculous, man. Aw, come on, off the spawn, dude. You couldn't even... Oh, dang. They lost, like, all their team. No problem, though. How did we trade, dude? What? Didn't even make any sense. I don't even have any attachments on this yet. I do kind of... I'm liking the vibe of the FAL, man. It's very nice. It's smooth. Oh, man. Dude, can they get out of this corner, man? They're going to make me do it. You know what? You know what? We're doing it to them. Alright, boys. Here's the sweat. Sweat's coming out. Understand why it does that, and then it loads you back in the same game with your stats. Like, it doesn't make any sense. I guess there's a bug with the sliding or something. Did it put me on the bad team now? I don't even remember. Oh wait, no, I was going up against Red. Let's go damage, Joe. He's sitting in a corner. Seriously? Dude, he could kill like 6 people. Just like watching that makes my brain hurt. What? I felt like my sight was on him, but then it was like hitting the ground before it was actually, or hitting like the top of the wood there. What is going on? Come on. So bad too. Like, why are you sitting in the same spot, dude? Learn how to move. I'm not a big fan of the whole spam jumping thing. It's the first time I've really seen it in an active lobby like this. What? What was that? What are you doing, man? This guy's kind of weird. Oh, come on, Joe. You didn't have to beat that. Get out of my spawn, Joe. Get out of there. Goofballs, come on. Dude, come on, man. I'm watching it hit him. Alright. Let's go back down to the foul. Let's put some attachments on it just to make it a little bit easier. Because I feel like I have the, oh, that's expensive. I feel like I have the funds for it now.
Mic off. Mic on.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just couldn't stop. Alright, I'm gonna mute for a second just to sneeze. Yeah, and the tracer bullets in this game are very cool. Very interesting. Black, though? I haven't really used black. I normally use the bright and vibrance, but the black ones, the black tracers are pretty cool. It's like you're shooting smokes at people or something. Ah, see? Oh, man, that's gonna kill me. It's the only thing that sucks about this game. But it's gonna throw me right back into the same game. Nope, still, same game. What is that, man? What he's doing is just walking back and forth, hitting all of his shots. I don't understand, man. Just stop, like, sitting somewhere. Just run around. It's just, like, actually stupid. Oh my goodness. I could have had so many kills just then. I love how we're just all kind of sitting down the same lane. I might actually, like, switch to a sniper after this, fiasco, since there's a lot of time left, you know. Bye-bye, Joe. Where's he at? Where's he at? You tell him, you tell him. That guy's gone. Camper. Oh, see, yeah, he it's just weird. Not this one. This one. I don't really snipe that much in this game. It is a little difficult. But it's only difficult because it's weird. Like, it's kind of weird. Get out of my spawn, man. My spawn, not yours. Oh, man, of course we trade. I got the headshot too. You got the body shot. Should have gave it to me. Oh man. It's also difficult whenever they're all using AK and stuff. You really have to keep the distance, but on a map like this, it's like it's really not that easy. Also doesn't help that nobody's really moving around, and when they are moving around, they're just goofballing. The fuck? I just watched that dude like teleport. Oh, dude, did he trade me? What? He was definitely dead before I was. Oh man, just had to unaim my scope. Oh. Oh, fucking Joe. Oh man, that's so tough. It's so tough. Saw your hand, dude. This guy's gonna wait to peek me like that. What? Ooh. Man. Oh my god. These guys are killing me, man. When I kill them, they camp, but when I'm actually sniping, they try to move around. Like... Oh, did I not get that? Seriously? Buzzer beater at the end of the game anyways. Man, I don't know.